How to
Welcome.
solve indices
We shall
equation.
solve this equation, an indices problem. This is an equation because it has an equals to sign. And if it doesn't have an equals to sign, any question that does not have an equals to sign is an expression. But any question that has an equals to sign, is an equation. Now let's solve this problem. If we have this solution, now we need to take care of this, and this can be written as minus 2 because 9, anything, 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. So taking it, the law of indices states that when we have a value 1 over n, this can also be written as n raised to the power minus 1, the law of indices. So repeating what we have here, we have minus 3 n plus 2. Now equals to 27 can also be written as 3 raised to the power 3 raised to power of 2 over 3n. Now we have the same base, so we can cancel off because of the equals to sign. But if there's no equals to sign, we cannot cancel. So this will take care of this base. So we have minus 2. So this is cancelling off this base. Now minus 2, open bracket, minus 3n plus 2 will be remaining, equals to 3, open bracket, 2 over 3, which is this. Now we have, now it implies, this is not an equals to sign, but it implies you cannot have equals to. It implies that you can now multiply 2 times minus times minus is plus, then 2 times 3 is 6, that is plus 6. 2 minus 2 times minus 3n is plus 6n. Minus 2 times plus 2 is minus 4, equals to, following the rule, you have minus times minus equals to plus, we have minus times plus equals to minus, we have minus plus times plus is equals to plus, we have plus times minus is equals to minus. So that is the rule I used here to multiply. So we have here, this we cancel off this, so we now have 1. So 2 times 1 will give us 2n. So here we have 6n minus 2n. Subtract 2n from both sides. And here, taking it over the equals to sign to become positive, or you add 4 to both sides, you become 4. Adding 4 to both sides to give us this. Subtracting 2 from both sides, you have this. So subtracting that, we have 4n equals to 4. So therefore, n is equals to 4 divided by 4, which is equals to 1. So therefore, n is equals to 1. That is the value of this equation of indices. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.